Center. We're gonna be talking now to Mr. Turtleman. You heard a short while ago from Mr. Peck. Right about now, we say a very pleasant good afternoon to you, Turtleman.
Yes, greetings. Greetings to all Jamaica, Westmoreland, Hanover, all the crew, you know. Well, this is Turtleman live and direct, and all the God-hearted people out there, I said, just keep it right, saying.
Now, Turtleman, what's your certificate name?
Oh, my certificate name?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine right there.
Okay, tell me something now. How long has you been in the music biz?
Well, it's a long time here, so.
You're a veteran, so to speak.
Well, you know, say that.
Alright, what has been your biggest break in the music biz so far?
Well, my biggest break in the music business is performing many shows in Jamaica. And, my first travel was in Germany, Amsterdam, and Austria. I do travel across the Caribbean to like Barbados, St. Lucia, and Antigua. You know, so right now I'm back in Jamaica again. You know.
Yes. Now tell me something now. Was it easy for you to get into the biz? Because some artists, they complain that they have to go through struggles. Some of them, they are, you know, have to sit at studios for day in, day out to really break into the music biz, so to speak.
Yeah, that's true. You know, you got through a lot of trouble. That's struggle, you know. Where promoters and even selectors, you know, you go to the dance and you go check the promoter and say, get me on the show, and they don't, you know. You still hang around and still put it there and we'll be there, you know. So right now, I looking out for who looking out for us, you know.
Okay.
So a producer or a promoter who didn't want us to be on their show or on their label, and when we get very big out here, they come and want to do us things for us. It's not going to really work so easy. So I look out for the promoter and the producer who look out for us.
Okay, now gentlemen, tell me, what has kept you in the biz during this period of time, 15 years?
Well, you see, I'm an actor from a long time, you know.
Yes.
You know, my main root is from out of Kingston, Anatown, that's where I was born. You know, and my mom is from Westmoreland, Negril, and my dad is from Kingston. So now I just migrate to Negril and have to make the future. You know, I represent Negril, Westmoreland as an entertainer alongside Mr. Peck.
Yes. Now, what has been your biggest recording song so far?
My biggest recording song is Hurry Hurry.
Hurry Hurry.
The girls in my hurry, you know.
All right. Give us a line or two of that Hurry Hurry, because myself, I haven't heard that song.
Okay. Word out. Word out. Listen. Hurry, hurry, hurry. The girls them a hurry. Girls them a come in a bungle and now be many, many. Hurry, hurry. The girls them a hurry. Paulette, Angie and Jackie. Well, well, well. Them say we too girly, girly. We rather girly, girly, cause we not money, money. So we don't want no man pick come this side away. The girls them want we body, yes, them want big room we. Westmoreland girls them already know we. Mobile girls, them no stop calling me. And me girl like Kingston and she alone a groom me. So as a Rasta man, me have it time today. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Peck, Mr. Peck. Being about inside the studios of West 104 FM. Now, you have toured recently, Mr. Peck. But before we come to the recent tour, you said you have been to Germany and Austria and all these places in Europe. Right. Now, looking at the crowd, the appreciation there towards your music, described to Jamaica, are there any difference?
Well, there's a difference. You see the name Turtleman.
Yes.
A lot of people look up on that name and it sounds funny and all that, but it's an original name.
Yes.
You know, and when it represents Jamaica, especially Negril, when they say you're from Negril, a lot of people come out to say there's a lot of people all over the world come to Negril because Negril is an international place.
Yes.
You know, and thing. Well, I just came back from the United States of America where I spent some time in Chicago. I shared stage with Bounty Killer and Winnie Wonder, the Beanie Man, Merciless, Tanya Stevenson and the Main Street crew. You know, so right now I'm back in Jamaica where I'm going to be up here on this show tonight with Mr. Peck, Yellowman and the whole crew, you know.
I want Mr. Peck in here because I'm finished with him because I have a question that I should have posed to him earlier before we take the break. But I'll just squeeze in that one after you Turtleman. Now, what can people in Western Jamaica who have not seen Turtleman for such a long while expect tonight at the Bus on the Beach?
Well, they're going to come and expect a lot because there's lots of new tune and lots of new lyrics that they don't hear for a while.
Yes.
You know, and I'm here now just to put it out to them because all I can say to them, especially Negril, Good Hope, Orange Hill, Sablamar, Westmoreland, the whole crew, you know, they should just come out tonight and just support us. because it's gonna be there live on the radio. You know, it's gonna be live on the radio. So.
Yeah, this is West on board. No, you have how many records today that you recorded?
Well, I record like
albums.
Not album, but I record for a producer first before I link up with the Ivory Crew.
Yes.
Where that producer, I really don't know what he do with all those tunes, you know,
yes.
and all that. So all those tunes that I vice to those producers, we're gonna vice them over again and vice them real better. Find Hurry Hurry, Heavy Like Lead, and Talk to the Hand done by me and Mr. Peck and Danny B.
Being a conscious Rastaman, Mr. Peck, I have to squeeze in a very, very controversial question here, if you don't mind. There's certain set of Rastafarian when it comes to Jesus or Jesus, whatever you want to produce it. Like, how do you view the burning of Jesus Christ?
Well, I can't burn Jesus Christ, you know, because from I was a little youth growing up, you know, my grandmother and my mother used to say about Jesus Christ. The whole nation is about Jesus Christ. Well, any man who burn Jesus Christ and burn God, you know, them burn themselves down. You know, so we have a new tune where we say, yeah, burn, I see them know you burn yourself down. So I don't come here.
Give us a line of that new tune. Has that tune been released?
No, don't release.
Give us a line on the radio.
Okay, go ahead. So you are born until you burn and your whole self down. You are born, see them know you burn yourself down. You are born bashy girl and you are born pretty car and watch the car you are drive down. So you are born aeroplane and you want
That's a secret review. Always 104. Now, gentlemen, what is your philosophy?
My philosophy?
What do you believe in?
What I believe in? I believe in life. Life, because without God there is no life. So God, that's why they call me God heart, Dandelion. God in your heart and righteousness, and that can make you live right now. All those people who are working for Satan and going to opium, and I'm sorry for them, you know, them do. Those are what we born.
Okay.
You know, those are what we born. You know, Nickel is my home, you know, but right now I'm migrating, I'm living in LA right now, so I just come down to make everyone know, you know. And before I go, I just want to say respect goes out to all the Sunsplash tours who make it possible to make spring break in Nigville be good, and everybody can't eat the food, you know. So goodbye for right now, and later on it's gonna be wild here in the bus.
Thank you very much, Mr. Peck. And listeners, do remember that Mr. Peck will be